Energy is the essential cornerstone and driving force of the modern society. Energy innovation advances the entire social civilization. Increasing clean energy consumption in the mix and bringing green, low-carbon development into practice have become the main theme of the global energy revolution. GCL, a global energy conglomerate that focuses on new and clean energy and related businesses. Its businesses cross the world from China and the USA to Japan, Indonesia, Ethiopia, and Djibouti. With several listed companies in A shares and H shares, GCL continues to promote the transition of electric power business from traditional to distributed and mobile energy and transform from a generator to an integrated clean energy service provider. As one of the top 500 enterprises in China, GCL has been ranked number 1 on China's New Energy Enterprises list for consecutive years. Today, GCL supplies 25% of polysilicon and silicon wafers around the world. Average cost along the value chain of the PV industry has been reduced by over 90%. GCL method of polysilicon production, silane FBR process, and precision wafer slicing techniques. GCL fills the gap in China and leads the world with multiple technologies and electronic-grade semiconductor material and silane gases. Meanwhile, digitalization in the manufacturing facilities of batteries, modules, and EPC service has upgraded production into intelligence, enabling high-efficiency battery modules like Black Silicon plus PERC batteries, multi-bus bar batteries, shingled cell modules, and dual glass modules to scale up application. Responding to national calls in the PV poverty alleviation and the Frontrunner Plan, GCL is fully engaged with developing, constructing, and operating large-scale solar farms integrated with plains, mountains, deserts, farming, fishing, and ranching. GCL owns the second largest total installed capacity worldwide and leads the world in maintenance and operation of solar farms through technologies like DC voltage boosting, cleaning robots, inspection drones, remote control and sensing, and big data. GCL actively promotes the PV's grid parity through the parallel path of mono and polycrystalline, technological research and innovation, cooperation with domestic and overseas facilities, and acquisitions. Chu Gongshan, chairman of GCL Group, has been elected the chairman both of the Global Solar Council and the Asian Photovoltaic Industry Association for his extraordinary contribution to the PV industry. GCL has now formed full chain of PV industry. Its leading technology, improved cost efficiency, and competitive edge have changed the Chinese PV landscape so that final products are made to export with imported raw materials, which fully promoting the deep integration of PV industry as well as making a significant contribution to worldwide mass application of solar energy. With its advantage in silicon materials, GCL takes the lead in China in setting up a 5,000-ton electronic-grade polycrystalline silicon production line exclusive for semiconductor integrated circuit and has realized large-scale proprietary production of electronic-grade polycrystalline silicon. On par with those from world-class manufacturers in all parameters, the products have been validated by clients and come into large-scale sales. Meanwhile, GCL actively deploys in semiconductor equipment manufacturing, large wafers, silicon-based electronic chemicals, and other areas, contributing to the robust advancement of China chips. With its global research, GCL has built up a complete clean energy chain of natural gas development, liquefaction, transportation, and power generation. With a nod to the One Belt, One Road initiative, natural gas collected in Ethiopia is liquidated in Djibouti and shipped to Beijing, Changchun, Hebei, and Southeast China, where power is generated through gas-electric integration, completing the production of clean energy from extraction to end use. GCL is actively deploying 4 networks in one cloud, consisting of the power network, thermal network, natural gas network, and information network, plus big data cloud. The innovative and interconnected model of Source Network Sales Use Cloud has been successfully used to take the lead in expanding incremental network distribution and power sales. It enables users with demand-side management, energy efficiency service, energy transaction, energy storage, carbon asset management, financing, and other services to realize the application of Internet plus energy. Tapping into its capabilities in distributed energy service and operation, GCL promotes the application of new energy technology in urbanization on all levels through Green Smart Town, which builds smart cities, green space, and a healthy lifestyle. Innovative power batteries and the energy storage hierarchy have effectively broken down the bottleneck in electric vehicles and energy storage. GCL is creating new industrial parks with specialties, conglomerated elements, and vibrancy. It integrates manufacturing supply chain with storage and internet to build an online and offline operation platform, Green Smart Cloud Warehouse. Innovation in science and technology is the source of the sustainable growth of GCL. An R&D team that consists of 2,500 experts from home and abroad are distributed over the Central Research Institute, 8 R&D branches, the General Research Institute, world-class R&D centers and incubators in the US, Japan, Israel, and China. The GCL R&D force has achieved close to 2,000 patents and intellectual property rights and been engaged in formulating over 50 sets of industrial standards. Corporate culture is the internal driver of GCL. Over the past 2 decades, GCL has fabricated a set of core values, including value-oriented, innovation-driven, striving-based, and collaboration-grounded, trying to realize the GCL dream that powerful GCL, prosperous staff, and complemented by society. Every employee at GCL has an opportunity to be promoted and grow as GCL has established broad collaborative training mechanisms with prestigious domestic and international education institutions. GCL University is an in-house education platform that promotes human resource. With gratitude in its heart, GCL has given back to the community through founding the GCL Sun Charity Foundation and active engagement in charity work to promote education, environmental protection, and disaster relief. GCL has accumulated donations of over RMB 265 million and helped 3 million people through PV poverty alleviation. It is GCL's perpetual goal to sustainably improve the living environment, to responsibly bring green power to life, and to constantly innovate and reform. GCL enables energy to unleash more powerful forces, working together to create a better Mother Earth.